Arjun was a brilliant student. He had always excelled in academics, earning not just one, but 3 degrees: English literature, public administration, and a master's in education. His teachers praised his dedication, his peers admired his intellect, and his parents believed he was destined for greatness. But reality, as it often does, had a cruel twist. Months turned into years, and Arjun remained unemployed. He applied for every job he qualified for, sometimes even positions below his education level, but every rejection letter chipped away at his confidence. The job market was brutal, too many candidates, too few opportunities. Interviews came and went, but nothing ever turned into an offer. Slowly, the world around Arjun began to change. The sparkle in his eyes faded, the books he once cherished gathered dust, and the boy who once dreamed big now rarely left his room. Depression crept in quietly at first: sleepless nights, loss of appetite, and an overwhelming sense of worthlessness. Friends stopped calling, not out of malice, but because they didn't know what to say anymore. His parents, though supportive, were growing silently anxious. "Maybe I'm not good enough," he whispered to himself one night, staring at the ceiling. The thought became a constant echo in his mind. One day, as he sat staring blankly at his computer screen, a message popped up from an old college friend. It was a video link titled, "From Depression to Success." With nothing to lose, Arjun clicked it. It featured a man who had also battled depression and failure, only to rise and build something meaningful. That video didn't change his life instantly, but it lit a tiny spark within him. What if I share my own journey? Arjun thought. Maybe others are feeling the same way. With trembling hands, he began writing. He poured his pain, frustration, and hope into words. He started a blog, Unseen Battles, where he wrote about the silent struggles of the educated but unemployed. His honesty struck a chord. Readers began to pour in, people who saw themselves in his words, who felt less alone because of him. Encouraged, Arjun started making short motivational videos, blending storytelling with real-life struggles. He used simple language and heartfelt narration. Slowly, his content went viral. News outlets picked up his story. Invitations for public speaking flooded in. He began working with mental health organizations, guiding and inspiring others who were stuck in the same dark corner he once was. Years later, Arjun stood on a global stage, receiving an award for his contribution to mental health awareness and youth empowerment. His story had become part of textbooks, his videos part of school curriculums. The boy who was once lost in depression had become a beacon of hope. Arjun didn't just find his purpose, he created history, and in doing so, he proved that even the deepest darkness can lead to the brightest dawn.